Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at how you can correct mistakes made during a transaction on the ER-260BEJ register. So if you're in reg mode and you're processing sales, that's standard operation for the till, but it is possible and very easy to make a mistake. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways you can correct mistakes without causing any problems on the till read. So the easiest mistake to correct is if you've typed in the wrong amount of money. So if I type in £20 and I meant to type in 19.99, as long as I haven't pressed one of the PLU buttons or the multiply button, I can simply press clear and that gets rid of the 20. I can now type in the 19.99 and assign it to the correct button. The second sort of mistake you can make is by pressing the wrong button. So here I press Carling Pint, I meant to press Stoford's Pint. So what I can do is I can void off the Carling Pint by pressing void and then Carling Pint. It also works on items earlier in the sale, so it's nice and easy if it's the very last one you've pressed because it's easy for you to remember. But here you can see I've got brown bread at £1.50. If I realise that's a mistake or the customer's changed their mind, I can press void and then the brown bread button, which is there. I nearly forgot where that was. Okay, so that's how you can void items off the sale. If you decide, basically the third way of correcting a mistake is if you've made lots of mistakes on the transaction and you want to start again, there's a cancel sale button here. You press cancel and it totally voids that transaction. You get if you've got the receipt switched on, you get a receipt print out that says cancel at the bottom to confirm it, and then you can re-enter the sale in the correct fashion. Okay, if you've made a bigger mistake, then I'll put a link, which is probably appearing now, showing you how to correct a mistake post-finalization, so after the sale has been completed. So please check that out if necessary. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.